Is everyone? This is Kamisha from Kamisha's Corner. Yes, I'm still in Ghana. So I'm here cooking, making some eggs. So I'm hoping that I don't burn them, because that wouldn't be good. I'm here at Baba's house, Baba Tunde's house. We're in Pokwase, and I'm making him some breakfast. He likes egg whites. He turned the stove on for me. You just gotta use a match. So I'm hoping, I think I need my utensils, which I did not bring. Okay, I shouldn't be doing this with this hand. Ooh. Not used to cooking with the fire so hot. Oh, I shouldn't have turned it off. Silly me. Because you got to use a match to turn it back on. I should have just turned it down. I did not think. Lighting the stove.